Please hit subscribe and change it to past tense.
Hi Speechies, it's Lisa. Welcome back to Speech Fairies. Today I'm going to show you something that I recently picked up from a local crafter and artisan in our area. So these are some items that she has. She has these little kits. Let me see if I can find her card in here. Her name is Nancy and her company is called Thread Tales, and she can be found on Facebook. So these are some of the things that I ordered from her. So this one, she had a couple made that was called Into the Forest. So they're just a bunch of forest creatures. So I'll show them to you. So the reason I got these was so that I could use them on my green screen in telehealth. So we've got Snake. He's green, so he won't work on my green screen, but he's the only one I think in the pouch that's green. There's a raccoon. She does all this herself, all this hand stitching. And they're kind of like stiff and they have Velcro on the back already. So it sounds like she does a lot of work for SLPs. So this is a campfire, a moon, it's kind of glittery. Not sure if you can see that, there's a bit of a glare. And we've got a little bear. So they're just such cute little critters that she makes. A mouse, a bunny. And because she is an artisan, again, colors and textures and whatever fabric she has is different every time. There's a little deer and a sparkly fish and a sticky skunk and a fox and a sun. A little bluebird that's kind of sparkly. So those are the critters that were in the forest bag. So let's pop them back in there. It's fun to put up a forest scene on our virtual backgrounds, and then you can hide the animals or find the animals, so that's really cute. The second one is a gingerbread man storytelling kit. So she does a lot of storytelling kits, and I love the little bags she's got them in. A little extra bonus gingerbread man on the front. So she's made an oven and the door opens and closes. It's shiny and smooth and sparkly mixed with the textured black. It's quite sturdy. We have the old man and the old woman. Look at him, he's got curly hair. It's kind of fuzzy on the top. Very, very cute. They're quite large. So almost as big as my hand. We have the stop as part of the story. The animals will say that when they come. And oh, we gotta find the gingerbread man. She actually included two different sizes for me, so probably this one might work better on the green screen, and this one's a little smaller, but that's okay. We've got a cow that will say, "Stop, I want to eat you." I love the stop visual. And the horse and the farmer and the kids, they'll all say stop. And the gingerbread man will say, "Run, run, run, just as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." Kids love when I sing this song in the session. And then the last creature is the fox, who's going to trick the gingerbread man. She also included some flowers and butterflies, so I might put that in with the forest. I'm not sure. You could do some story extensions too with the different creatures from the forest animals that are going to say stop to the gingerbread man. So you can extend the story that way and work on retelling skills. And the best is for last. Good night, gorilla. Look at these big pieces. This is a big giant bed. And I think you can actually, it's like a pocket, so you can put the zookeeper and his wife and the gorilla inside. So it's a big, beautiful, sturdy piece. And she's got Velcro on the back. And this is the other main reason I picked out this set. I thought this was just so unique. It's the cage where we can put the animals in and take them out again. And some different animals. We've got the elephant, the hyena, the lion, the armadillo, there's the gorilla, a giraffe, another gorilla. This one's probably the one for the bed. And we have the zookeeper's wife. And we have the zookeeper. We even have his set of keys on a ring, which is awesome. And we actually have the zoo that they can go back to. We have the little mouse. And these are the little eyes in the dark. So we've got the set of eyes that open in the darkness. And then we've got some little quotes that say, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night. So there's a whole pile of them there, one for every animal. And a moon, so we know that it's nighttime. So that one is the Goodnight Gorilla. So that was a really big set. My ocean set had a green lobster and I knew it wouldn't show up on the green screen. So she made me another one in brown, so hopefully he'll show up okay on the screen. So that's pretty awesome. I'll have to put him in with my other ocean creatures. If you want to see those, leave me a comment down below and I'll bring them out to show you. I just thought it's a really good time to kind of support each other and our little hobbies and our little side hustles. So this one is Threadtail. These are all from Threadtails again. And she's on Facebook, just in case you're interested in picking up some big sturdy felt pieces for anything that you're doing virtually. I'm going to put some pictures on my Instagram too, so everybody can see how awesome and well made these are. So if you're new to our channel, please hit subscribe, and for those who are returning, we thank you so much. We appreciate you every single day. You can leave a comment down below if you wish. Tell me which set you would have picked. I believe they were $50 per set. But she does have a variety of products available. I first found her at a literacy conference, the Niagara Literacy Conference, and I came across her card maybe a week or two ago, and I was so excited. I jumped right onto Facebook to see if she was still doing it, and she was, so I was very happy to find her. Give us a big thumbs up if you like this type of video or you think we did a good job. That would be great. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Bye for now, everyone.